The 2026 BMW X7 continues to elevate the standard for full-size luxury SUVs, blending bold design, advanced technology, and powerful performance in a way that few rivals can match. As BMW's flagship SUV, the X7 has always embodied the brand's commitment to luxury and innovation, and the 2026 model refines that formula further with a refreshed look, improved interior features, and upgraded powertrains. From the moment it comes into view, the 2026 BMW X7 commands attention with its imposing presence. The updated exterior design features a more aggressive front fascia, including BMW's signature illuminated kidney grille, slimmer split LED headlights, and a revised bumper that gives the SUV a modern and muscular appearance. The rear also gets a slight refresh, with sleeker LED taillights and a more sculpted tailgate. Large alloy wheels ranging from 21 to 23 inches enhance the road presence, while new color options and trim packages offer more personalization than ever before. Under the hood, the 2026 X7 offers several engine options, ensuring that drivers get the right blend of power and efficiency. The base iDrive 40i is powered by a refined 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering around 385 horsepower and improved fuel economy. For those seeking more muscle, the iDrive 50i comes with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 producing well over 530 horsepower, also aided by a mild hybrid system. Both variants come standard with BM's iDrive all-wheel drive system and an updated 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth gear shifts and responsive acceleration. The M60i variant remains the performance leader, offering M-tuned suspension, sportier handling, and blistering acceleration despite its size. The cabin of the 2026 X7 continues to be a showcase of luxury and technological sophistication. High-quality materials, including merino leather, open-pore wood trim, and available crystal accents, create a truly upscale environment. The new curved display integrates a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, running the latest BMW iDrive 9 operating system. This interface is faster and more intuitive, supporting over-the-air updates, customizable widgets, voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seating remains one of the X7's strongest attributes, with standard 3-row seating and the option of captain's chairs in the second row for increased comfort. Heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats are available, along with ambient lighting, a panoramic Sky Lounge sunroof, and a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Cargo space is generous for the segment, and power-folding third-row seats make configuration easy. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the 2026 BMW X7 is equipped with a full suite of advanced features. Standard equipment includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, forward collision warning, and automated emergency braking. BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package adds semi-autonomous highway driving capabilities, traffic jam assist, and advanced parking features including remote parking via smartphone. Ride comfort has also been improved thanks to an enhanced air suspension system that adapts to road conditions and driving style. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating twisty mountain roads, the X7 maintains its composure with impressive ease. Rear-wheel steering and active roll stabilization are available to further boost agility and ride quality, making this large SUV feel much smaller behind the wheel. The 2026 BMW X7 remains a top contender in the luxury SUV market by offering a perfect blend of style, technology, comfort, and performance. It's more than just a means of transportation. It's a statement of prestige and capability, perfectly suited for families and individuals who demand the best from every journey.